Dreaming of snagging TikTok shop deals down under? Let's cut to the chase and find out if Australia's joining the shopping frenzy. First, fire up your TikTok app. Make sure it's the latest version. Updates often bring new features, so a quick check in the App Store is worth it. Now, scan the bottom navigation bar. You're looking for a shop icon, usually symbolized by a shopping bag or a storefront. It may also be replaced by store. If you see a shop tab on user profiles, especially those of creators or brands, that's a strong indicator TikTok Shop is rolling out or being tested in your region. Check several profiles from well-known Australian creators to see if they have a shop tab visible. Still unsure? Head to Google and type in TikTok Shop Australia. Look for official TikTok announcements or reliable tech news articles discussing its availability. Pay close attention to the dates of the articles to ensure the information is current. Finally, consult the official TikTok Help Center. Search for TikTok Shop or shopping on TikTok. Any region-specific information, including Australia, will be detailed there. If you can't find the shop icon, shop tab, or any official announcement, it is likely that TikTok Shop is not available in Australia at this current time, but stay tuned.